How to list your property on Airbnb 2026. Listing your property on Airbnb, first of all, takes about 10 steps. So go ahead and launch the Airbnb application onto your account. From here, you have to switch your account from the guest account to the host account. Now, once your account is changed, you simply have to proceed to log into your account. Then you will find the listings option over here. All you have to do is go ahead and tap on this plus icon on the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on this create a new listing option and proceed to type in your address over here. Then select all this or type in all these details, tap next. From here you should be able to find a deeper options to tell about your places. Once you type in all these descriptions and fill all these amenities options, you should be able to list it. You simply have to now follow and post the photos and also title and description. Then head to the pricing section to price and also set your house rules. All you have to do is now verify your identity and you should be good to go. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.